Hello everybody. So today is the fifth lesson on MS Excel and we are going to learn today charts. So let us go to the Excel workbook on which we are going to learn charts. This is the Excel sheet that we had done the last class and we had learned formulas on it. Today we are going to draw charts on these data. The chart is basically the pictorial representation of the data in the columns. So, if I want to draw a chart of these four subjects, maths, physics, chemistry and bio, we have to select the cells. So, this is how we select the cell. Click and drag. So, I have selected the data that I want to plot in the chart. And we are going to click on the insert menu. When we go to the insert menu, we have to select this properly, otherwise I'm not getting the options. Now once we have selected the cells that we want to plot, then you can go to the chart group. See, in the chart group you have been given so many chart options. So, and if you keep the mouse on each of the icons, you will get a information box like this where you can read about the chart. So this is the column chart or the bar chart, and if you click on the small black arrow, then you will get other options of these kind. See, this one is a 2D one, and if you just hover your mouse on these icons, it will give you a preview as to how your chart will look like, and whichever you feel like you can choose from here. So I am going to choose the simplest one for now. So this chart we have here. In this chart, what are we seeing? We are seeing the marks in the y-axis and the roll numbers in the x-axis. Now see this first group, this group, these four, one blue. Now if you click on the blue bar, you will see the maths column is being selected. That means the blue bars are representing the marks in maths. If you click on the maroon bar, then you will see the physics column is being automatically selected. That means the maroon bars are for the maths marks. The gray color is for chemistry and the yellow color is for the biology. You can change the colors according to your choice, but this is the default that has been given. Now over here, when the chart has been already created, we have to change the chart title. So this title I can give as Science. Science and Maths. So this is the title of my chart. I will also change the name of the series. What do you mean by series over here? See, they are giving blue for series 1, but blue is for maths. So this is the general format. You will have to change this. Now these options of changing are there in. So now we will learn how to change the name of the series. The blue bars are for maths, but it is showing series 1. So I will make it maths. So in that case, what I'm going to do is I will right click on this and go to select data option. In the select data option, you see series 1 means the maths column. So over here, I will select series 1 and go to the edit. I'll click on edit. Here series name I will change to maths and click on OK. Again series 2, click on edit. Again I will give here physics. Now see here in the series value over here, this is sheet 1. See, this is the address as to what is being plotted against this series. These are the data given as commas, C 89, 45, 89, 96. But here you see the location of the values of the data. Sheet 1, this is sheet 1. Then $C $3, that means they are using absolute referencing over here. This is $C $3 colon, that means 2 called $C $10. So this is the $C $10. Okay. Now see over here also the name of the series is changing. Then the third series, go to edit and give chemistry. And the fourth series will be biology. Okay, and click on OK over here. So you see we have changed the name of the series. There is another option that we have with this legend. This is called the legend, as to which color is plotting which series of data. We can change the position of this. We can then, for this we have to go to the options for legend. So I will click over here. Right click on the legend and go to format legend option. When the format legend option appears in this right hand side panel, you will see the what are the different positions in which you can place the legend. So this is, if I give top, then it will go up over here. So, or you can keep it at bottom. So we have selected this and we close the edit option. Now from this option, what you can do is you can change the type of graph. Type of graph in the sense it will be bar graph, but see the values will be written on top of the columns over here. Now there are many other ways you can choose any one of these, whichever you feel like. So I am going for this, where the values of that is being plotted are showing on the chart. Next we are going to learn how to change the type of chart. So we have to click on the chart, the design option over here, and you can select any one of these. So these we have already selected, suppose this one. Over here we can change the color scheme of the chart. And from here you can change the chart type. So if you click over here, you will get whole lot of options over here. So let us go to line graphs and let's see how the line graph look like. So if I select this and click on OK, the graph will change to a line graph and all other properties will remain the same. So we are going to the design option and we can change the color schemes. Whichever you click over here, that will be applied. Next we'll go to a pie chart. But in these cases, line graphs, bar graphs and column charts are the most suitable ones. So you can go for histogram also. You just need to click on it and click on OK. Your chart type will change. Now we are going to learn how to extend the range of the cells that we are going to plot in this chart. So once you click on the chart, it will select the area that is being plotted. Now I want the total also to be plotted in this graph. So what I'm going to do is right click on the chart and go to select data. Now you see this is the column. This side you have the column. So in the column options I will go to add. Here I will give the name total. And from here if you click here, I have to type in the range over here. So the range is from here to here. I'll just select the range and it will be added. So you see one extra bar was added for each of the students, which is the total. See here it is written total. So this one is the total bar and click on OK. So this is the change that you have done in your graph. Now we will learn how to add axis titles to a chart. That is, along the x-axis we will write roll numbers, and along the y-axis we will write marks obtained. In order to add the access title, I will click on this icon, the plus icon. From there we will get some chart elements that can be still added to the chart. The ones that are ticked are already there, but with the ones which are not ticked are not there. So I want access title, so I will tick on this. When I click, you will see the two text box has been added, one along the y-axis and one along the x-axis. So I will click on this. Now I am going to change the access titles and type the access title that I want. This will be roll numbers. And along the y-axis is marks obtained. Then we can increase the size of the chart to give a proper view of it. Now that we have all the informations on the chart, that is the values, the axis titles, that is what is being plotted along the x-axis, what is being plotted along the y-axis, what are the different bars standing for, what is the chart on, that is science and maths. So this is the complete chart you give where all informations are there. So this will help the users to extract information from your chart very easily. With this, we have come to the end of this lesson. Hope you have enjoyed learning charts with MS Excel. You need to practice on your own and try all the types of charts and all the changes that you can do.